So, hey, I got the new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times from left to right.
Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that all out? Why me crank that soul out? Why me crank that soul out? Why me crank that soul out? Why Soldier Boy up in that hoe? Why me lean there? Why me rock? Superman that hoe. Yeah, why me crank that Robocop? Super friend now, why me jocking on them haters, man? When I do that Soldier Boy, I listen up and crank that thing now. You. I'm jocking on your bitch ass. And if you get the fight, then I'm cocking on your bitch ass.
What you know about me?